Today we're looking at the life and legacy of Chuck Norris, a man who became a global icon through martial arts, action films, and one of the most enduring internet mythologies ever created. From dominating karate championships to starring in Walker, Texas Ranger, Norris built a reputation as the ultimate tough guy. But in March 2026, news broke that shocked fans around the world. So now, many are asking, where is Chuck Norris now? Let's find out. Chuck Norris rose to fame as a martial arts champion before transitioning into Hollywood, where he became a household name through films like The Delta Force and his long-running TV series Walker, Texas Ranger. Over time, his persona grew beyond entertainment, turning into a cultural phenomenon through the viral Chuck Norris facts that portrayed him as nearly superhuman. Even into his 80s, Norris remained active and connected to fans. Just days before his passing, he shared a video of himself training, showing the same strength and humor that defined his image for decades. However, everything changed in March 2026. According to reports, Norris suffered a sudden medical emergency while in Hawaii and was hospitalized. Shortly after, on the 19th of March 2026, his family confirmed that he had passed away at the age of 86. In a public statement, his family shared that he died peacefully, surrounded by loved ones, while choosing to keep the exact cause of death private. So, where is Chuck Norris now? As of now, Chuck Norris is no longer alive. He has passed on, leaving behind a legacy that spans martial arts, film, television, and internet culture. While he is no longer physically present, his influence continues to live on through his work, his teachings, and the generations of fans he inspired. His legacy is unique. Few figures have managed to become both a legitimate martial arts champion and a larger-than-life cultural myth at the same time. From fighting alongside legends like Bruce Lee to becoming the face of unstoppable strength in pop culture, Chuck Norris remains one of the most recognizable figures in entertainment history. Though he's gone, the legend of Chuck Norris, both real and exaggerated, continues to live on. Thanks for watching. If you want more stories about public figures and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me who you want next.